Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I was looking for a way to deodorize without adding any fragrance to my home. That's why this beautiful air purifier was exactly what I was looking for. So this is from Apraii, and it's a charcoal bag odor absorber. So inside this lovely little canister is a bag of activated charcoal. Not only does it clean the air and absorb odors, but it also absorbs moisture. One of my favorite places to put this is in my closet, especially when I have the air conditioning on in my home because it's warm and it's summertime. But sometimes the air inside my closet gets very stuffy, and that's where I store all of my shoes. So this has been exactly what I need to remove the moisture and also any odors that might be lingering in that small space, because a lot of air does not circulate easily. So whether you're looking to deodorize an area or remove moisture, this beautiful canister could be exactly what you're looking for. You could place this anywhere in your home and it will look lovely while doing an excellent job of absorbing odors and moisture. I love how simple it is to use and the fact that it doesn't add any fragrance. So if you have allergies or sensitivities, you can still get powerful odor absorption without adding any fragrance. So I'm really very happy with this simple yet effective tool, and that is my point of view.